This is Kenny the Handyman here, and today I'd like to show you how you can use sphagnum moss to greatly reduce the amount of chlorine or bromine you use in your pool or hot tub. So what sphagnum moss is this is a dried form of sphagnum moss packaged in a meshed bag, kind of like a tea bag system. And what it does is you put this in a container in your filtration system, and the water, as it passes through this meshed bag and makes surface contact with the sphagnum moss reduces the biofilm capabilities of the water. And what the biofilm does is it allows bacteria and algae and stuff to grow in the water. So by putting this adding this filtration system with the sphagnum moss in your pool, you will be able to greatly reduce the amount of chlorine or bromine you add to your swimming pool or spa. So I'm going to be taking this over here to my filtration system, and here I have the container that I put the sphagnum moss in, and I change this out about once a month. And once the water, this is what it looks like once the sphagnum moss is placed in the water. This has been in here a month, so I'm going to be replacing these bags with the fresh bags. So here I have 7 bags for the pool that I'm doing right now, and just simply dropping in the fresh sticks of sphagnum moss so that them soak up the water a little bit so they don't pop up as easily. While they're doing that, basically I have this is a bromine fed hot tub, and I have to use like one very small tablet of bromine. After it goes to the bromine, it goes to the sphagnum moss container filter system, and then it goes into my regular filtration system and back out to the pool or hot tub. So anyways, we're going to cover this back up, lock it in place. And then we'll turn this on and let it filter the pool water. And it's pretty easy to add a container like this in your filtration system. Just add it right after wherever container you're putting your sanitizer, whether that be chlorine or bromine. So that will greatly reduce the amount of chemicals you have to use in your conditioning system and make the water a lot healthier. Hope that helps. So I kept mentioning this as a pool or a hot tub, and I just wanted to clarify that this actually is a combination pool and hot tub. So that's why I kept referring it to as both of those.